What's up, everybody? I'm Clay, and I do want to say thank you guys for watching the video. Thank you for subscribing to the channel. Thank you for understanding that YouTube is now run by AI, and it is allowing general discussions about cryptocurrency, news, NFTs, blockchain technology, and so on. That's all that this video is, right? It's not a promise, promotion, suggestion, recommendation, or guarantee of any kind. It is simply you and I talking about what's going on in the crypto world. So thanks for listening, and let's discuss it. Now, I'm going to jump right into this news article, but before we do, I want to talk about the price action. The overall market, slow today, right? We've got a slight decline in Bitcoin and major altcoins like Ethereum, Solana, Dogecoin, and so on. Shiba Inu coin is slightly in the red as well, sitting at about 620 points per coin. Now, some meme coins are doing very well. You've got Punch out there. We've talked about this over the last couple of days, and it's still a very small coin, right? It's like a $41 million market cap at this price right here. But nonetheless, this goes to show you that people are still interested in memes. People are still interested in going out there and buying high-risk, high-reward assets. So, we're going to keep our eyes on this and see what happens here. This is that viral monkey in the Japanese zoo there. So, it is still doing very well. I own a little bit of it and nowhere near enough to do anything unless, of course, it, skyrockets higher or something. But let's talk about the Shiba Inu coin price pattern that analysts are looking at right now. It says Shiba Inu coin forms an inverse head and shoulders on the 4-hour chart, with analysts eyeing 900 points per coin if the 720 point per coin resistance is broken. Now, it says the Shiba Inu coin's price action shows signs of a potential bullish reversal after weeks of sustained weakness across the crypto market. Analysts report that an inverse head and shoulders pattern is forming on the 4-hour chart, raising expectations of a breakout. Shiba Inu coin has dropped over 20% in the past 30 days, reflecting broader market volatility and price uncertainty. However, recent technical structures suggest selling pressure may be fading if bulls can reclaim that key resistance level. Now, guys, the entire cryptocurrency market, let's see. Let's go back out to a Shiba Inu coin chart here, and let's go to a daily chart. Shiba Inu coin on the hourly chart, you guys can see that it's given back all of its recent gains, sitting at 620 points per coin. But look at the daily chart, okay? How would anybody be interested in buying Shiba Inu coin when it has done nothing for 2 straight years but hit lower highs and lower lows? Look, there's at no point in the last 2 years, if you would have bought it, are you making money right now, unless you bought it 2 weeks ago when it was at 508 points per coin. That type of price action deters almost all retail investors, and that's what we're seeing. If you look at Shiba Inu coin and you go out and you look at Google Trend Analytics, let's not go 30 days here. Let's just go the past 5 years. It's going to pull up this chart. Look, Shiba Inu coin over the past 5 years has lost all of its interest. Shiba Inu coin clearly peaked in 2021, but right now it is sitting at a level less than 1 in terms of overall search volume. Think about that. Not even a fraction of a percent of the people that were interested in 2021 are interested now. Why? They only get interested when the price is spiking. All of these spikes here, 2024, March of 2024, October, November of 2021, May of 2021, all of that correlates to the price spikes. You've got March of 2024 spiking higher. And of course the rally in 2021, in May, and again in October, November. People are only interested when something is moving. So we've got to deal with and we've got to get through all of this stagnation and bearishness. Shiba Inu coin has done this several times in the past. Guys, there were people saying that never should have bought Shiba Inu coin, and then it exploded higher in 2024. There were people in 2021 saying I never should have bought Shiba Inu coin, and it exploded higher. So it is possible, but it's very unlikely during a fearful situation. And right now, we are sitting at a level of extreme fear. So what does that mean? Does that mean we should give up? In my opinion, absolutely not. Extremely fearful times, they make the millionaires. It's the extremely greedy times when everybody else is pouring in, that those that are willing to buy now are able to get out of their assets, are able to shave their assets, are able to book some profits. So that is what I plan on doing.